Welcome to Lumea. Plan your next treatments. Now that you've finished your treatment, cleaned, and stored the device, it is time to plan your next treatment. In order to achieve the best results with Lumea, it's important to follow the right treatment schedule. The schedule consists of two different phases: the treatment phase and the touch-up phase. During the treatment phase, you will perform a treatment every 2 weeks. The treatment phase lasts for 4 treatments. After 4 treatments in the treatment phase, you will then begin the touch-up phase. In the touch-up phase, perform a treatment once every 4 weeks to maintain results achieved in the treatment phase. Note, if you deviate from the treatment schedule or miss a treatment, you may not achieve the intended results. For more information, refer to the troubleshooting section in your Lumea user manual. Now you know what to do before, during, and after a treatment. Please consult one of our general videos for more information on treatment modes, attachments, the IPL technology, and the device overview.